Hello, I'm Mark.
I'm Kelly.
And we're the Traveling Duo.
Welcome back.
So for today, we have an announcement video for everybody. What are we gonna tell them?
We're going on another cruise.
Going on a cruise. So we have a cruise set up for 2019. We're gonna be going in at the end of November.
Yeah.
Into the first week of December. Where are we going? What's our itinerary?
Ask that question.
All right, so our itinerary for this cruise is going to be a Southern Caribbean cruise. So it's going to be our very first time going to Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, the ABC Islands, as well as one of our first stops is actually going to be in Labadee, Haiti. So we get to go back to Labadee, Haiti again. We really enjoyed it there. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So we have 2 days at sea, then Labadee, Haiti. Then I believe do we hit Bonaire first?
So we go to Miami, Florida.
Right, it's out of Miami, yep.
Out at sea. Day 3 is Labadee, Haiti.
Okay.
Day 4 is sea. Day 5 is Bonaire. Day 6 is Aruba. Day 7 is Curacao. Day 8 is at sea. Day 9 is at sea. And then we're back home on
So a 9-night cruise. This will be our longest cruise that we have ever done. 1 day longer than our cruise last year on the Adventure of the Seas. So we are back on Royal Caribbean for this cruise. We're very excited about that. That's our favorite cruise line so far. And there again, we've only been on 2, so Carnival and Royal. But we're gonna be going to some new ports, and we're gonna be on a new ship, which is the Explorer of the Seas. It is a Voyager class ship, kind of a mid-sized ship for Royal Caribbean. It is the exact same ship as Adventure of the Seas with some slight differences and obviously a different name. But we loved Adventure of the Seas so much, we really wanted to check out its sister ship, Explorer of the Seas, and hit these new islands that we haven't been to before.
Yes, and we have a balcony, which I'm excited about.
Yep, so we're going back to our balcony suite, so that's gonna be awesome. And yeah, so that's what we wanted to bring to you guys today, is let you know that we have an awesome cruise coming up in November out of Miami, 9-night cruise, Royal Caribbean on Explorer of the Seas to the ABC Islands, plus Labadee, Haiti. We're gonna have a great time.
Bring you along.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along with us and show you our trip, give you guys some feedback and tips about traveling Royal, as well as what we found about each of those ports. We still haven't booked our excursions yet, so if there's things that you guys suggest that we should do in the ABC Islands, throw them in the comments down below so that we can book up our excursions. We may just go out on our own. We've been talking about not even booking excursions, just hit the island, rent a car, rent a Jeep, rent mopeds, and just go make it happen. There's so much to do there, so.
Yeah, we're excited.
Super excited. So that is what we wanted to bring to you guys today. Leave comments below if there's anything that you want to see us do while on the ship or on those ports. And definitely subscribe if you haven't already, because this cruise will be coming to you towards the end of this year, so you don't want to miss it. And if you hit that little notification bell, you'll get notifications of any new videos that we actually put out.
Share.
Share with your friends. Sharing is caring. Make sure everybody knows to come check us out if you guys like our material, and hit that like if you like this video, or if you like any of our videos. That'd be awesome. And until next time,
we'll see you around the world.
Bye.